name is Caden Vaughn. I am a competitive bodybuilder in classic physique under the NPC. I've been taking MANSPORTS for about 4 years now. This is the brand that I strictly use. These are the supplements that I use every day in my daily activities as well as my fitness regimen. The ultimate question is, why is Whey Protein Isolate the most sought out on the market? I can tell you why. It's quick absorbing, it's fast digesting, it's very easy on your stomach. So this stuff can be used by just about anyone and everyone. The reason I've been using MANSPORTS for about 4 years, I am a huge ingredient nerd, and also I am a very high flavor connoisseur. I will definitely take flavor over quantity any day, and these guys have knocked it out of the park. A lot of these flavors are one of a kind. You won't find them anywhere else, and I can bet if you try every one of them, you're not going to be disappointed about any of them. MANSPORTS ISO protein has 25 grams, and it's based on yield over volume. So what I mean by that is it's about a 90% yield compared to the volume of the scoop. Your body's gonna uptake a majority of this stuff, and this is also another reason why I use these guys. I use Whey Protein Isolate 3 times a day. I drink it first thing when I wake up, I drink it right before my workouts, and I drink it, most importantly, right after my workouts. I would recommend Isolate to pretty much absolutely everyone. Elite level athletes take this stuff because they're trying to get from point A to point B as quick as possible. So if it's good enough for them, it's good enough for you. There's a reason why MANSPORTS ISO protein has won Protein Wars 2 times in a row. This is good for everyone. Head over to mansports.com, pick you up a bottle, and let me know how you like the flavor.